Google have recently released a new troubleshooting tool built into Google Meet to help ensure that lessons and meetings on Meet run smoothly. So in this video, I thought I'd share with you how you can use this new tool to diagnose common network, video and audio problems on Meet. So let me share my screen with you and then we'll get started. Okay, so I've started up a Google Meet so we can try out Google's new troubleshooting tool. We can access it by going down to the bottom right and clicking on the three dots for more options, and then select Troubleshooting and Help. So this tool is designed to help us if we notice choppy or distorted audio or encounter blurry, jerky or frozen video. And a cause of this could be that our network is unstable. So to help us diagnose this, Google gives us this graph here, which shows our connection delay. This is measured in milliseconds and essentially shows how long it takes our video and audio to go to Google's cloud-based servers and come back again to us. So as you can see at the moment, my connection delay is very low. It's hovering around the 20 milliseconds mark. But Google is saying here that anything below 300 milliseconds, you should be getting pretty good Google Meet performance. But of course, if you're seeing a higher connection delay, so above 300 milliseconds, then that will likely be the cause of your degraded performance in Google Meet. And it even gives us a few tips here about what we could do to try and improve that. So firstly, moving closer to your Wi-Fi access point if you are quite far away from it, or if there's lots of things in between you and your router. And the second thing, of course, is to avoid other activities on your internet connection which could impact the performance. So things like big downloads, watching Netflix or streaming games online will all use up a lot of data and could impact your Google Meet performance. If we scroll down, we also have a section here on system load. So this is measuring our CPU usage. And you can see here that my CPU usage on my Chromebook, I'm on a Pixelbook Go at the moment, is quite high. But that's because I've got tons of other tabs open on my second monitor here, which will be impacting my CPU usage. So if I wanted to bring that down, I can just go and close off some of those other programs and tabs I've got running on my Chromebook to reduce the load of my CPU. That would benefit my Google Meet performance. Okay, so let's close the Troubleshooting and Help tool now and go back down to more options. And now let's have a look in settings. And then let's go over to video on the left-hand side. And the setting I just wanted to highlight here is the receive resolution. So you might want to tune this if you're on quite a slow internet connection. What you could do is you could turn this down to perhaps try standard definition first of all, but then if you kept on experiencing issues, then maybe even go down to standard definition and just have one video show at a time. This will greatly reduce the amount of bandwidth which Google Meet would be using. Or you could go one lower and go audio only if you're experiencing particularly bad connection issues. But normally day to day, you're absolutely fine to leave this set to auto. Okay, well that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and please do reach out if you have any questions about this. Thanks for watching.